Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about surface area and volume of a cylinder. How to find the surface area and volume of a cylinder. In the first part of this lesson I'm gonna talking about surface area. How to find the surface area for a cylinder. For surface area we have to use this rule for finding the surface area for a cylinder. The rule is surface area equal to 2 times pi times radius square plus 2 times pi times radius times height. And then the short form for this rule is surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Example number 1, you have this cylinder. This is the net of cylinder, and how to find the surface area for this cylinder. First we have to write the rules. The rule is surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. And then you have to write the numbers instead of each variable. So we have to multiply by pi is 3.14 multiplied by r square. R square, it means radius. The radius of this circle is 0.4. 0.4 square plus 2 times 3.14 times r. Radius is 0.4 times height. The height of the cylinder is 6.2. After that you have to multiply the numbers. First we can multiply the left side and then multiply the numbers at right side, and then you have to add the products. So first 2 times 3.14 equal to 6.28 multiplied by, and 0.4 square equal to 0.16 plus 2 times 3.14 equal to 6.28 multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 6.2. After that 6.28 multiplied by 0.16 equal to 1.0048 plus, and 6.28 multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 6.2 is equal to 15.5744. And the last step, you have to add these two numbers together, and the sum is 16.5792, and then the unit is meter. We have to write meter, and we have surface area. The unit should be square. So we have 16.5792. 10,000 is meter square. Another example, we have this cylinder. How to find the surface area for this cylinder? So the first step, we have to write the rules. The rule is surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and then we have to write the numbers instead of each variable. 2 times pi is 3.14 multiplied by r square. In here we have the diameter. The diameter of this circle is 5. Diameter equal to 5 centimeter. When we want to change the diameter to radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2. 5 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. So radius is 2.5 centimeter. We have to write 2.5 instead of r square. 2.5 square plus 2 multiplied by 3.14. Radius is 2.5 multiplied by height is 5. After that, we can multiply the numbers at the left side. 2 times 3.14 equal to 6.28 multiplied by 2.5 square equal to 6.25 plus 2 times 3.14 equal to 6.28 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 5, and then 6.28 multiplied by 6.25 equal to 39.25 plus 6.28 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 5 equal to 78.5. And then we have to add these two numbers. The sum is 117.75 hundredth, and then the unit is centimeter. We have to write centimeter, and we have surface area. The unit should be square. So the surface area for this cylinder is 117.75 hundredth centimeter square. After that, the second part of this lesson, I'm gonna talking about volume, how to find the volume for a cylinder. For finding the volume of a cylinder, we have to use the rules for volume. The rule is pi times radius square times height, and the short form for the rule is V equal to pi times r square times h. Example number 1 for volume, how to find the volume for this cylinder. The radius is 5 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. The rule is V equal to pi r square h. And then we have to write the number instead of each variable. Pi is 3.14 multiplied by radius is 5 square multiplied by the height is 24. First, we can solve the power. 5 times 5 equal to 25 multiplied by 24 and then multiplied by 3.14. When we multiply these three numbers all together, the product is 1884, and then the unit is centimeter. We have to write centimeter, and then we have volume. For volume, the unit should be Q. So equal to 1884 cubic centimeter. Another example, we have this cylinder. How to find the volume for this cylinder? The rule is pi r square h. So pi is 3.14 multiplied by the radius of the circle is 14 square multiplied by the height is 28. After that, the value of the power, 14 multiplied by 14 equal to 196 multiplied by 28 and then multiplied by 3.14. And then when we multiply this three numbers all together, the product is 17,232.30 132. And then the unit is centimeter. You have to write centimeter, and you have volume. This unit should be cubic centimeter. After that, example number 3, you have this cylinder. How to find the volume for this cylinder? First, we have to write the rule. The rule for volume is pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 multiplied by radius of this of the circle is 4 square multiplied by 25. 4 square, it means 4 times 4 equal to 16, multiplied by 25, and then multiplied by 3.14. After that, the product for this 3 numbers when we multiply is 1256 centimeter or cubic centimeter. Example number 4, we have this cylinder. This is the net of this cylinder. The rule is volume equal to pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 multiplied by the radius is 1.5 square multiplied by the height of the cylinder is 18.5. After that, 1.5 square equal to 2.25 multiplied by 18.5 and then multiplied by 3.14. After that, when we multiply these 3 numbers all together, the product is 130.7025. The unit is centimeter, so we have cubic centimeter. After that, the last example, we have this figures. In this figure we have 2 cylinder. This one is the small cylinder inside the big cylinder, and then we have this big cylinder. We have to find the volume for each cylinder. First, the rule for volume for cylinder is pi r square h, and then first I'm finding the volume for a small cylinder. Volume for small cylinder equal to pi times r square times h, 3.14 multiplied by the radius for a small cylinder. For a big cylinder, the diameter is 8, and then the radius for a big cylinder is 3. So this side is 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So the diameter for a small cylinder should be 2. The diameter for a small cylinder should be 2, and then the radius for a small cylinder 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So the radius is 1, and then we have square multiplied by the height is 9. After that, we have 3.14 multiplied by 1 square equal to 1 multiplied by 9. So the volume is 28.26 cubic centimeter. This is the volume for a small cylinder. And then volume for big cylinder equal to pi r square h, 3.14 multiplied by the diameter for a big cylinder is 8. So the radius for a big cylinder is 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 square multiplied by height. Height is 9. 3.14 multiplied by 4 times 4 equal to 16 times 9. The volume is 452.16, and then we have centimeter or cubic centimeter.